You know, one of the biggest issues that we're coming across right now is that a lot of people don't know how to get back more time from their employer. And the thing is this, you're not going to be able to get it back, you got to buy it back. You got to realize that you sold your time, your hour, for like $20, $30 per an hour. And we're showing you how to make 50, 60, 70, even $80,000 per an hour. And that's the reason why you got to know what's your value. You got to identify what's your value. Once you identify your value, don't ever go lower than what is required to you. So you have to determine what you're worth. And you're not worth an hourly check. You're definitely worth a check that you put a price on. See you at the top.